哎，现在是不是录？
你是录像了？
对。Hello, Mr. Nilish. Instead of choosing 4-element sliding designing, we can make this designing. You see, we put 2 pieces of hinge at this location. Here, and make one more mounted. Use this accessory here and here. When OPS need to make the maintenance, we can remove the rivet here. Here, and the fixed element could be moved along the hinges. We can get the enough big space to make the maintenance of OPS. Is it clear now?
哦，上了它也往上翻。
哎，那个什么，那个孙总，你帮我转一下，顺着那个什么，哎，对，可以了，好了。
别进那个眼儿，进那个眼儿上边顶不上。后边，我给你拆下来，你看一下。
The clients can remove the limit switch here. After remove the limit switch, the sliding element can be moved to the other side of the cabinet. Here is the limited switch. You see the black color spares here. We can use the electric screwdriver. Is it clear now? You see?